I'd say I have more of a strategy towards going forward, with Bitcoin and whatnot, or a strategy in general, not just with Bitcoin. For me, it inspires me to learn more, to keep finding out information, and because you get the books and just directions, because there's so much information on the internet, you can get quite overwhelmed. So it's nice to have somebody point you in the right direction, and good books and good podcasts and good people. I know a lot more about it now than I did before, just purely on those little paths.
And the WhatsApp group is amazing because people throw in their own spin on things as well, which is great because you get other insights and other ideas, and it kind of makes you think then, which is really good, because sometimes it's hard yourself to focus so it's great to have input from other people as well.
Yeah, like I say, it's an education.
It sure is.
Not so much a money thing. It's learning about what you have to do more so than what, and then
understanding it.
Trying to do it. Yeah, but learn first. Actually,
before I met Dinny and got into the Retire Early Club and that, I was a day trader, like trading the stock market on a daily basis, usually on the stock market open. It's very time sapping, and I just wanted something that was a bit slower burning, and Dinny was saying Bitcoin is probably the way, so I did his bootcamp, and then today we were at his Retire Early workshop, which is deadly. So if you're looking to get into a slower burning investment where you have a chance to retire a bit earlier than you would, definitely look up Bitcoin with Dinny and his Retire Early Club.
I hadn't done any investing really. It's something I had kind of procrastinated about, and thought about, and had started to look into YouTube, and just was dipping my feet into gathering information, and then I came across Dinny, and what I liked about that was, he's someone Irish and local and someone you could connect with. It's definitely, if you're thinking of investing in something, it's worth coming talking to him, and finding out the information. There's, for the cost of it, it's well worth it, because you pay for a month, you can try it out for a month, and the amount of information you get, and you're not just relying on what he tells you. He gives you the information where to go, and that'll bring you down other rabbit holes as well, that you'll just find a mine of information and how the whole system really works, and it's not just about Bitcoin, it's about the whole economy and the stock market and everything, and just the way the system itself works, which is mind-blowing when you actually start to figure out what's actually going on.
I think if you have any inkling into going to join the club, because it makes things clearer, there's building a good community, and it's worth it long run.
It's great to meet people when they come here. We even brought Theo, Bitcoin baby, with us. But since I've started on this journey, I've learned a lot about money, what is money, why I should be saving in something else that's going up in value. Most people don't understand that our euros are going down in value over time. And I didn't understand that, but now I do. So that's why I'm learning about this, I'm on this journey, and I'm buying Bitcoin for the future, and my kids' future, and my grandkids' future as well, because it's the way forward. And in time, more people like yourselves will understand it and get it, and then you'll be buying Bitcoin. But we're just early right now, so get in to the Retire Early Club and join Bitcoin with Dinny.